I tested 50 business ideas and I finally found the top 5. After months of beating my head against the wall, countless sleepless nights, and more than a few setbacks, I finally learned the 5 business ideas that can make you $7,000 a week. Whether you're starting a side hustle or going full time, these are the businesses you need to know about. But here's the kicker, the number 1 idea is so simple anyone can start it today, and literally there are no skills required. Stick around because in this video, I'm also going to share the real story behind why this works. It just might change everything for you. Look, I'm not alone in this discovery. Meet Sarah, a YouTuber who started her channel just a few years ago and now has an impressive 1.26 million subscribers. She used these exact methods to build multiple income streams, and today she's earned over £1 million through her online ventures. Sarah's successes prove that these businesses aren't just theoretical, they're tried and tested, and with her 1.3 million subscribers vouching for her, you know this works. Business number 1. After joining Skyscanner's affiliate program, which offers an impressive 20% commission, I decided to test it out. Here's how I did it. I signed up for Skyscanner's affiliate program, which offers a generous 20% commission. Created an AI affiliate website using Hostinger. I set up a blog post in seconds, embedded it with Skyscanner's affiliate links. I wrote reviews on popular holiday destinations around the world by just writing a single prompt into Hostinger, and in less than a second, I had a fully functional website and blog post. I shared my blog post on Tumblr and Facebook to attract an audience. The traffic I drove to my blog generated a healthy passive income stream. Here's the proof. John Cristani, a well-known affiliate marketer, makes over $500,000 per month from affiliate marketing alone. This side hustle has the potential to change your financial game quickly. Next up is selling digital products, one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. I remember the thrill of my first digital product sale. It was an unexpected thrill. Here's how I started my digital product business from scratch. I searched for digital products like planners and filtered by popularity to find the winning product. Check this. It has over 20,000 positive reviews. I then recreated this popular digital product using Canva's pre-designed templates. I finalized my planner design and uploaded it back to Etsy, ready to sell. I then used my social media platforms on Facebook and X to drive traffic to my Etsy store. With no inventory to manage, customers can instantly download their purchases from anywhere in the world. Sarah, the YouTuber I mentioned earlier, made hundreds of thousands selling digital products like printables and templates on Etsy, all designed using Canva. Her success shows that with the right approach, you can create a product once and sell it over and over again. Now let's talk about print on demand. When I first started, I designed a simple t-shirt for a niche audience, thinking it might flop. But to my surprise, it became a bestseller. Here's how I did it. Find winning products on platforms like Etsy, Zazzle, and Redbubble. I filtered by popularity and top reviews to identify successful designs. I then added a unique twist, like a funny text, to make the product really stand out. I used Canva's templates to create the final design for the t-shirt, just like this one, which I made earlier to add to my store. I uploaded my design to Printify, which handles production and shipping. I connected my Printify account to Etsy, Redbubble, and Zazzle, so every time someone purchases a product, Printify takes care of the rest while I earn passive income. The profit margins were huge, and the process is really simple once you get down to it. Another powerful business model is dropshipping. I remember the first time I tried it, I found a cool item on AliExpress like this one and sold it for triple the cost. It was a game changer for my business. Here's how you can replicate my success. I signed up for AutoDS, which automates the dropshipping process. Find products from suppliers like Amazon, AliExpress, and Walmart. AutoDS allowed me to source and select products easily. I imported the products directly into my Shopify store, customizing details and pricing. AutoDS handled customer orders and shippings from suppliers while also updating stock and prices automatically. On my first day alone, I made $250, and as sales picked up, that figure grew rapidly. With the right supplier and smart marketing, you can scale quickly with virtually no upfront costs. If you have a skill like writing, video editing, or social media management, starting a freelance business is another great option. When I started freelancing as a scriptwriter, I had 0 clients, but after just 1 month of relentless networking and showcasing my skills, I was fully booked and earning more than I ever did at my 9 to 5. Here's how you can get started right now with 0 experience. Find your first client using platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to land your first gig. Identify your client's niche. For example, if they run a tech review channel, focus on that niche. Leverage AI tools like ChatGPT. Prompt the specialized AI which you can find under Explore GPTs within ChatGPT interface to write a 1,000-word script tailored to your client's niche, such as review of the new MacBook Pro, for example. Customize and deliver the script. Tweak the AI-generated script to match your client's tones. Save it as a PDF and deliver it directly to them. As you gain experience, you can start charging premium rates and enjoy the freedom of setting your own hours and working from anywhere around the world. And for those interested, I have a full tutorial on writing winning scripts that sell. Check out the link in the corner of this video somewhere here. Now, if you're serious about getting started, one of the best ways to kick things off is by leveraging AI. Imagine earning $500 a day with an AI-powered affiliate site, even if you have no experience. I've broken down exactly how to do this in my next video, where I show you step by step how to get started. Click on it right now and let's get you earning.